We're going to go ahead and start cutting our video into pieces and try to make our video fit with our music and flow with our music a little bit better. So when cutting our video, what you want to do is cut it into different sections. So we're saying several things such as our name, favorite animal, food, and place to visit. So we're going to cut it into pieces to where we say certain parts of that interview, and we're also going to cut it into parts where we end up removing things that we don't need. So I'm going to go ahead and listen to my video, but I am going to mute my music so I can focus on what I am saying in my video.
Hello, my name.
So there is a pause at the beginning. I don't need that pause. So let's go there again. So right before I say hello, I'm going to use the left and right arrow key to go back and forth. So here I am. I'm not saying anything. I'm just smiling. So I can go ahead and make sure that I select my video here and do a Control K to cut that. So this piece here I am not going to need. So I can just go ahead and delete it. Now I'm not worried right now about moving it to the left because we are going to piece it together later on to fit it in certain parts of our audio. So I'll go ahead and delete that section that I don't need. I'll listen to it again.
Hello, my name is Abby Santana.
So I can have that be one whole section where I just say, hello, my name is Abby Santana. So I can go ahead and do a Control K. Don't forget to make sure to select your video and then do a Control K.
And my favorite animal.
So maybe I don't want to say the word and, so I'm going to go back and listen to that. Oh, well, I can tell that I'm saying and by the movement of my mouth. So right about there, I can go ahead and give it a cut because I just finished saying and. And once again, make sure to select your video, Control K. And then let me delete that and listen to what I say.
And my favorite animal.
So I kind of still have a little bit of that and in there. So let me go ahead and zoom in a little bit. So then I can see my audio.
And my favorite.
I'll go back.
And my
Maybe I don't need to say my favorite animal is. I'll just focus on the word panda.
favorite animal is a.
So right here, I'm about to say panda. So I'm going to go ahead and give it a Control K. Take that out. Let's listen to it. Zoom out a little bit.
Panda.
And go back.
Panda.
So it looks like I'm saying a panda, but that's okay.
Panda. As I have here.
So I'm just going to...
Panda.
So I'm trying to find the part where I'm just saying panda. It's right about there. So let me go ahead and do a Control K.
Panda.
Okay, so that sounds pretty good. And then I'm going to go ahead and continue cutting in this fashion. So once again, you want to cut it into pieces to where you're saying something. So maybe just cut it into where you're just saying a certain word or a phrase, and then start removing things that you don't need. And once again, we'll go ahead and move these pieces after you finish your cutting.